In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship from Temu to eBay. Whether you're starting out in e-commerce or looking to expand your existing business, this guide will help you navigate the steps needed to start dropshipping from Temu to eBay successfully. First, let's begin by creating and setting up your eBay seller account. Head over to eBay's homepage by typing in www.ebay.com into your browser. Here, you'll need to create a business seller account. This account type provides you with more flexibility and tools than a personal account can offer. Once you've created your account, it's time to set up your seller profile. You'll want to thoughtfully choose your seller name and branding, as this is how customers will perceive you. Next, configure your payout method either through Payoneer or directly to your bank account, ensuring that your transactions go smoothly. You should also set up a clear return policy and handling time to keep your future customers happy. Finally, activate two-factor authentication for added security, giving you peace of mind as you embark on your selling journey. Starting out, it's wise to list 5 to 10 products. This initial step helps you test the waters and avoid those early selling limits eBay imposes on new sellers while you get the hang of things. Next, let's dive into researching profitable products on Temu. Visit Temu's website at www.temu.com, where you'll search for best-selling items that boast positive reviews. Remember, items that are lightweight and small tend to have lower shipping risks, so they're often a wise choice. Additionally, aim for products that have a profit margin potential of at least 30 to 50% to ensure your efforts pay off. Popular niches worth considering include home organization, pet and phone accessories, fitness and beauty gadgets, and items that are either seasonal or currently trending. To verify the potential of your chosen products, use eBay's sold listings filter to see how well similar items are selling. Now that you've identified your products, it's crucial to calculate the profit margin. For instance, if a product on Temu costs $400 and you sell it on eBay for $12.99, you need to deduct eBay's fee, which is approximately 13% or $1.68 in this example. With Temu's free shipping, your net profit would come to about $7.31 per sale. Remember, always incorporate eBay's selling fees and Payoneer's fees in your pricing strategy to ensure profitability. With everything ready, it's time to list your product on eBay. You have the option to do this manually or by using a dropshipping tool. Let's focus on manual listing today. Navigate to the Seller Hub, select Listings, and then Create Listing. Copy the necessary product details from Temu, but make sure to personalize them. Use SEO keywords for the title, download and re-upload images instead of hot linking, and reword the product description to avoid content duplication. Finally, set your pricing and add your profit margin. Choose a handling time of 5 to 15 business days and offer free economy shipping. If applicable, list the location as China or international. By using unique descriptions, you can evade duplicate content penalties, enhancing your eBay presence and helping your listing stand out. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully dropshipping from Temu to eBay, creating opportunities for growth in your online business. Happy selling!